Now we are going with a important discussion about instance variables. We have already seen what is a static variable and how to work with the static variable. Now a very important concept is an instance variable. We already discussed instance variables store specific information is nothing but suppose account holders are there, bank name which is common for every account holder, that is comes under static, but account number, account holder name, balance in account, pin number, mail id, mobile number, address, these are not common for everyone, so these are comes under instance variables. How many times you allocate the memory, how many objects you create, those many times memory will be allocated, right? Let me show you one by one with the clear examples, and you will understand parameterized constructor also. The first point is, once again I'm explaining, here I'm taking one class name is a student. Suppose simply I'm taking student. Inside that student, I'm declaring one variable. Variable is a name. It will store the name of the student. Okay. Name is a which type? String type. Name is which type? String type. Sir, how can we access static variable? We know already by using the class name. How can we access instance variable? Sir, by using object. Because we know already how to access static method. How to access static method? Using class name. Sir, how to access instance method? Using object name. Using object name. So first, one simple example to understand this code. Okay. Student, I'll explain later. Just class test. Here, two variables I'm taking. One is a static variable, A. Without static keyword, if you write a variable, is called instance variable. Instance. Here, one is a static method. We know very well this. We discussed already. With a message is a static method. And next one more is instance method. Without a static keyword, if you define any variable is any method is called instance method. We know already, sir, how to access a static method. Simple, using the class name. What is the class name? Test.m1. Test.m1. When you run, you will get the output is a static method. Sir, how to access static variable? Variable means what? Printing the value. So write in a SOP statement, a value is just with a message. How to access? Class name dot variable name. A value. By default, 0 will print. By default, 0 will print. A value is a 0. Now the question will come, sir, how to access instance method? Creating the object. Test object T is equal to new test of. New test of. Then you know how to access T.M2. T.M2. So M2 will print. Instance method will print. Now, sir, instance variable, same story. It will not change. System.out.println. Sir, B value I want to print. B value. How to access? T.B. Sir, what is T? T is object name. T dot M2. So T dot B. So easy points you can remember. Static means using class name. Instance means using object name. Static variable, static method. Instance variable and instance method. First, execute this simple example. Everybody, please drop your code also in the chat box.